Good morning, word study friends. This week we are ready to take our word study test for letter feature O, sort 35. Please listen carefully as I say the words. You may stop this video at any time so that you have a chance to spell your words correctly. Let's get started. Number 1, bottle. Please place the bottle of water on the counter. Bottle. Number 2, nickel. I have a nickel in my wallet. Nickel is word study word number 2. Number 3, little. When I was little, I used to love to ride my bike outside. Number 3 is little. Number 4, middle. My sister is the middle child. Word study word 4, middle. Number 5, final. This year you will have a final test in math. Final. Number 6, normal. Hopefully today will be a normal day at school. Word study word 6, normal. Number 7, cancel. I really don't want them to cancel school again. Cancel. Number 8, fossil. I like to dig in the yard to see if I can find a fossil. Number 8, fossil. Number 9, vowel. When we were in first grade, we learned what a vowel and what a consonant is. Number 9, vowel. Number 10, rural. Some people live in rural areas while others live in crowded cities. Number 10, rural. Okay, those are your first 10 words. We'll get to our curveball words in a minute, but let me just review numbers 1 through 10. Listen carefully. Number 1, bottle. Number 2, nickel. Number 3, little. Number 4, middle. Number 5, final. Number 6, normal. Number 7, cancel. Number 8, fossil. Number 9, vowel. And number 10, rural. Your first curveball word today, number 11, metal. My belt buckle is made of metal. Number 11, medal. And our last curveball word, purple. I am using a purple pen right now. Number 12, purple. Please look over your words carefully before submitting your test. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week.